Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro-I, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Now just here you can see the audio settings. We can enable or disable the Dolby Atoms, the 316 spatial sound, the DSE Ultimate. We can enable or disable these features by click once on each of the switcher here, or also we can activate the intelligent one filter here by click once on the switcher and to turn it off by the same way. Here we got the media volume panel, the ringtone volume panel, the in-call volume panel, the ringtone notification volume panel, the alarm volume panel. We can change them by swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. Also you can here change the vibration for calls to always to vibrate first when the device rings gradually, or just don't set the vibration for calls. We can also enable or disable the don't disturb mode, activate the media to hide player when the media session has ended. Also here we can change the ringtone for SIM 1 and SIM 2 because we got two SIM slots on this device. We can change also the notification sound here on the default, the alarm ringtone, and also we got here the advanced settings. We can activate and turn off by click once on each of the switchers, the dial buttons, the screen lock and lock sound, the charging sounds and vibration, the touch sounds and touch vibration. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.